Hello everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can easily create loop video on CapCut. By following the few simple steps that I show you, now you'll be able to create loop video on CapCut very easily. So make sure to watch the video till the end so you don't make any mistakes by saying that. Let's start the video. At first, go to your home screen and tap on the CapCut app icon. And then tap on the new project and select any video that you like. I'll select this one and tap on 8, and here you have to select the video on timeline. Then this type of option will be popped out and you have to scroll until you find the option called duplicate. Here you can see, and if you are using old version of CapCut, then you'll be able to see the option called copy, and you just have to tap on that option. Then you'll be able to duplicate that video for the loop effect, and then you just have to select that video again and again tap on duplicate as much as you want. And by doing this you'll be able to create best loop video. So my friend, that's it. If you find this video helpful even 1%, consider subscribing and leave a like. I'll be back with another problem solving video like this. Thanks for watching.